Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets to give you the most honest reviews.
Today, we're taking a close look at the AGI AI818 2TB SSD. Now, this little storage device has been making some waves in the tech world, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Alright, folks, let's kick things off by talking about the key features and specifications of the AGI AI818.
This SSD comes in multiple capacities ranging from 512 GB to 2 TB, making it suitable for various storage needs. It boasts a PCIe 4.0x4 interface, promising blazing fast speeds of up to 5,200 MB per second for sequential reads and 4,700 MB per second for sequential writes. Under the hood, the AI818 is equipped with a Maxio Map 1602 controller, coupled with either YMTC, TLC, Intel QLC flash memory, depending on the capacity. Now, this combination may not be the latest and greatest, but it gets the job done, especially considering the price point. So, how does the AGI AI818 perform in real-world scenarios? Well, our testing revealed some mixed results. While it may not be the speediest SSD on the market, it certainly holds its own as a secondary storage device for gaming or PS5 enthusiasts. However, for those looking for top-tier performance for their primary desktop or laptop, you might want to look elsewhere.
Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the AGI AI818 is relatively inexpensive, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers.
However, it does have its drawbacks. Efficiency and thermals leave something to be desired, and the performance may not meet the expectations of power users. When it comes to warranty, AGI offers a standard 3-year coverage with a generous endurance rating of 600 TB of writes per terabyte capacity. As for software, while AGI doesn't provide direct downloads, there are plenty of free alternatives like Crystal Disk Info and Clonezilla to keep your drive in top shape. In conclusion, the AGI AI818 2TB SSD may not put the AGI in agile, but it certainly has its place in the market. With its affordable price tag and decent performance for secondary storage, it's a solid choice for gamers and PS5 owners on a budget. However, if you're looking for top-notch performance for your primary desktop or laptop, you may want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the AGI AI818 2TB SSD.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.
Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.